Before using the PT1 programming tool, the PC software must be installed. If you have already installed the software, skip to this time in the video. To download the PT1 software, open your preferred internet browser. Once open, visit alligator-valves.com. Select your region. Then, at the top of the page, under Service, select Downloads. Scroll down the page to the Software section, and click the Alligator Programming Tool PT1 software. Choose the location on your computer you wish to save the file to. In some cases, the file will be automatically saved to the Downloads folder. Once the download is finished, locate the file on your computer and double-click it. The software will begin the installation process. If there are any prompts on your computer asking if you wish to install the program, select Install or Yes. Once the software has finished installing, an icon will appear on your desktop. Begin by plugging in the PT1 to a USB port on your computer. The light on the front of the device should turn green. Now, double-click the software icon on your desktop. You will be asked to log in with your username and password. If you do not already have an account, click the Register Now button to create an account. Enter your username and password, then click the Login icon. The software will open to the vehicle selection screen. Using the drop-down menus, select the vehicle's year, make, and model. A screen will be displayed with various vehicle information and sensor details. To begin programming a new sensor, first select the wheel on the vehicle that needs sensor replacement. Then, select Create New Sensor ID. A sensor ID will be created that will be programmed to the new sensor using the PT1. You may also select a reason for replacement under the Reason drop-down menu. Once ready, place the new sensor on the PT1. Then, select the small lightning bolt icon to program the sensor. The sensor will begin programming, and the PT1's indicator light will flash. Once complete, the indicator light will stop flashing. The software will return to the vehicle screen, and all of the new sensor's information can be seen at the bottom of the screen. The sensor is now ready to be installed in the vehicle. The flashing indicator light at the top of the screen shows that the vehicle will need to be relearned after installation. By clicking the TPMS icon at the top of the screen, the software will display information on how to properly perform the TPMS relearn procedure. For more information on the PT1 programming tool and RS Plus sensor, please visit alligator-valves.com.